The human mind naturally asks, before the heavens were raised, before the earth was spread, before light and shadow, what was there? The question appears simple, yet it carries the weight of eternity. In Islamic theology, the answer begins not with a location, but with a truth. Allah existed, and nothing else existed with him. The Prophet said in an authentic narration, Allah was, and there was nothing besides him. In another wording, there was Allah and nothing other than him, and his throne was over the water. These words establish the foundation. Allah is not bound by time, space, or direction. Time itself is a creation. Place is a creation. Direction is a creation. Before creation, there was nowhere as we understand it. So when someone asks, where was Allah? The scholars clarify that where applies to created beings. Allah is Al-Ol, the first, Al-Akhir, the last, Ahir, the manifest, and Al-Batin, the hidden. He is not contained within his creation. He existed without dependence on anything. Classical scholars such as Imam Abu Hanifa stated that Allah existed eternally before creating the throne, the Kursi, the heavens, and the earth. He is now, as he has always been, unchanged by the act of creation. Creation does not increase him, nor does it decrease him. His existence is absolute. This understanding protects a believer from imagining Allah in human terms. Allah is unlike his creation. There is nothing like unto him, and he is the all-hearing, the all-seeing. This verse alone closes the door to anthropomorphism. Whatever image comes to the mind, Allah is different from it. Before the universe unfolded, before the pen wrote the decrees, before the angels glorified, Allah existed in his majesty. Then he created the throne, Arsh, and his throne was over water. From there began the unfolding of divine decree, the writing of destiny, and the formation of the cosmos. And among the magnificent creations connected to that unseen reality is something called the Kursi. The Kursi is mentioned in the most powerful verse of the Quran, known as Ayat al-Kursi. Allah says, his Kursi extends over the heavens and the earth. The word Kursi linguistically refers to a footstool or seat. However, when it comes to divine matters, the meaning is affirmed without likening it to creation. The scholars of al-Sunnah state that the Kursi is a real creation of Allah, distinct from the throne, Arsh, and far greater than the heavens and earth. A narration attributed to Abdullah ibn Abbas states that the Kursi is the place of the 2 feet in a manner befitting Allah's majesty, and that the Arsh is greater than the Kursi. The 7 heavens compared to the Kursi are like a ring thrown in a vast desert, and the Kursi compared to the throne is like a ring thrown in a desert. These comparisons are not exaggerations. They are meant to shatter our limited perception. Everything we see, the galaxies, the stars, the expanding universe, is smaller than a ring in a desert when compared to the Kursi. The Kursi represents authority and dominion. It symbolizes the vastness of divine sovereignty. Allah says that preserving the heavens and earth does not tire him. This indicates power beyond imagination. Creation does not burden him. Control does not fatigue him. The Kursi is not Allah. It is his creation. It is a sign of his greatness. Just as the throne is the greatest of all created things, the Kursi stands as a manifestation of dominion beneath it. The greatest verse in the Quran, Ayat al-Kursi. The Prophet asked one of his companions, Ubay ibn Kabi, which verse in the Book of Allah is the greatest? He replied, Ayat al-Kursi. The Prophet confirmed his answer. Ayat al-Kursi, Surah al-Baqarah 2:255, is the greatest verse because it summarizes the essence of Tawheed. Allah, there is no deity except him. Al-Hay, the ever-living. Al-Qayyum, the sustainer of all. Neither slumber nor sleep overtakes him. To him belongs whatever is in the heavens and earth. None can intercede except by his permission. He knows what is before them and what is behind them. His Kursi extends over the heavens and the earth. Preserving them does not tire him. He is the Most High, the Most Great. Every phrase removes weakness and affirms perfection. Humans sleep, Allah does not. Humans forget, Allah does not. Humans are limited, Allah is not. Reciting Ayat al-Kursi after every obligatory prayer brings protection. Reciting it before sleep places the believer under divine protection until morning. It is not merely a verse, it is a fortress. Its central mention of the Kursi ties divine knowledge, authority, and protection into one reality. The Kursi becomes a symbol of encompassing power. Hazrat Ali, about the Kursi. Ali ibn Abi Talib, known for his depth of wisdom and closeness to the Prophet, spoke about divine realities with humility and clarity. He warned people against trying to imagine Allah in physical form. He said that whoever claims Allah is confined has limited him, and whoever limits him has counted him. Regarding the Kursi, narrations attributed to him emphasize its immensity and that it is a creation of Allah. He stressed that Allah is not contained by the throne or the Kursi. Rather, the throne and Kursi are sustained by him. His approach reflected balance. Affirm what Allah affirmed without asking how. The companions did not attempt philosophical speculation. They accepted revelation as it came, preserving reverence. Hazrat Ali's legacy reminds believers that knowledge without humility leads to confusion. The unseen world is vast. Human language struggles to describe it. The Kursi is real. The throne is real. But Allah is greater than all of it. From the unseen heights of the throne and Kursi, the narrative moves toward creation we witness every day, the sky above us. Clouds may seem ordinary, yet the Quran repeatedly draws attention to them. Allah describes how He drives the clouds, joins them together, piles them up, and then rain emerges from within them. In another verse, He speaks of heavy clouds carrying water. Modern science explains evaporation, condensation, and atmosphere pressure. But the Quran speaks with a tone of power and command. Allah sends the winds as glad tidings, then they raise the clouds. The creation of clouds is not random. It is part of divine mercy. Rain revives dead land. Crops grow. Rivers flow. Life continues. There are narrations describing how Allah created the sky in layers, and how clouds move between heaven and earth under divine control. Some early scholars spoke of a stage before the structured heavens, when there was smoke, dukkan. The Quran says, "Then He turned to the heaven while it was smoke." This smoke indicates a primordial state before formation. From this came structured heavens, stars, and systems. Clouds today are a small reflection of that greater cosmic beginning. They float without pillars. They travel thousands of kilometers. They carry oceans of water, yet remain suspended. Who holds them? Who directs them? Who measures the rainfall drop by drop? The same Lord whose Kursi extends over the heavens and earth controls a single drop of rain.